In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a dashboard in Jira Atlassian homepage. First, open Jira software and sign in to your Atlassian account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the Jira home area where you can access your projects, work, and reporting tools. From the top navigation bar, click Dashboards, then choose Create Dashboard. This is where you'll begin building a custom view that helps you track the information that matters most to you or your team. Next, enter the dashboard details. Start by typing a clear name for your dashboard so it's easy to recognize later. You can also add a description if you want to explain what the dashboard is for. This is especially useful if multiple people will be using it. After that, choose the viewers and editors permissions. These settings control who can see the dashboard and who can make changes to it, so take a moment to set those based on how private or collaborative you want the dashboard to be. Once everything looks good, click Create. Jira will open your new dashboard right away, and from there you can begin customizing it. Now it's time to add gadgets. Click Add Gadget, then browse or search for the ones you want to use. Some common options include filter results assigned to me, pie chart, created vs resolved chart, sprint health, and two-dimensional filter statistics. These gadgets help turn your Jira data into something easier to scan and understand at a glance. When you find one you want, click Add next to it. After adding your gadgets, configure each one. You'll usually need to choose a project or a saved filter so the gadget knows what data to display. Depending on the gadget, you may also be able to adjust settings like the number of issues shown, the refresh interval, or different display options. When you're finished, click Save or Done to apply the setup. Next, arrange the dashboard so it works well visually. You can drag and drop gadgets into your preferred layout, which helps prioritize the most important information. If your Jira edition supports resizing, you can also adjust the size of gadgets to make the dashboard easier to read. If you plan to use this dashboard often, open it and click the star or favorite icon. This makes it quicker to access from the dashboard's menu later. Finally, if you want others to use the dashboard, open the dashboard settings and update the sharing permissions. You can allow your team, project members, or specific groups to view or edit it, and that's how to create and customize a dashboard in Jira for a more organized and efficient workspace.